Using a 22mm socket, let's go ahead and remove these lug nuts. Next, remove the wheel. Go ahead and set that aside. Using a 21mm wrench, we're going to go ahead and loosen our jam nut. I'm just going to turn in a couple threads. Using an 18mm socket, loosen and remove this ball joint nut. And we'll go ahead and use a pickle fork to separate the outer tie rod ball joint from the knuckle itself. Once that's loose, you can go ahead and separate that. Now what we want to do is count the amount of rotations it takes to remove the outer tie rod from the inner tie rod. We got a 19. I just document that so I don't forget it. Now we're going to go ahead and install the outer tie rod. We had documented 19 revolutions. So this will set us at that 19 revolutions. It'll set us on a preliminary setting for our alignment. Is our 19. We'll bring our jam nut down a little bit just to kind of hold it in place. Position your knuckle. Now you want to go ahead and position that tie rod end, feed it up into the knuckle. Let's go ahead and put that nut on and we'll snug this down. Now when you tighten this down, you should tighten it down to 18 foot-pounds plus 90 degrees. If you have the ability to do so, go ahead and do it. Go ahead and tighten up that jam nut using your 21mm wrench. I'm going to go ahead and snug that down. And go ahead and get your wheel installed. I'm going to go ahead and get all of our lug nuts started by hand, and then we'll snug those down. Go ahead and torque these down to 111 foot-pounds.